How to self-correct when you make a mistake in English. Everyone makes mistakes when speaking English, even native speakers. But the secret is not to panic. It's to self-correct smoothly. Here's how to do it with confidence. This is your best friend. I go to the office every day. Quick, natural, no stress. Sorry, what I meant was, this works when you want to fix something politely. He don't like it. Sorry, what I meant was he doesn't like it. Sounds mature, not awkward. Let me rephrase that. Perfect for work or serious conversations. This design is bad. Let me rephrase that. It needs improvement. Smart move. Actually, use it for quick corrections. I was born in 1995. Actually, 1994. No big deal. Just say it and move on. Smile, breathe, and keep going. Self-correction shows awareness, not weakness. Mistakes are part of speaking, but how you handle them, that's fluency. Comment and let us know if you want more content like this. And follow for more real English tips. Mistakes welcome.